Hi everyone. So I am making egg stir fry. Hold on, let me move this stuff. Egg and tomato stir fry, that's what it's called. Okay, so I put about 3 tablespoons of what you call it, oil, and then I put just about one bundle of green onions. And then I cut, these are 3 tomatoes, and they're cut this way for a reason, so the juice doesn't come out, it only goes into the stir fry. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna move this a little bit more. So, right here, you see that? I'm gonna fry it, make sure I have a nice juice. So far is, I heat up the oil, I put the green onions and then the tomatoes. I'm just frying it in the skillet. See? About 3 tablespoons of oil. That's how much you need. And then I use, I always give you some tips on how you save money. So when the onions are in season, which, because we live in Utah, and I get these onions, they're 50 cents a bundle, and then I wash them, get all that brown stuff off. I wash them, and then I let it sit on the strainer, you know, for a few hours to make sure that they're all dry. And here's the strainer I usually use. This is a nice one. This is the one that hangs on the top of the, see? I don't know if you can see that. See? It hangs on top of the sink. So I let it dry, and then I cut them up. I do like probably about 10 or 15, the most, bundles at a time. And then I cut them up when they're all dry, you know, there's no water. And then I freeze it. And because during the winter, it is $2.50. So I have a few bags. I always buy a lot to make sure that gets us through the winter. That's how I do that saving on the green onions. So it's just green onions, tomatoes, and then I did the scrambled eggs just before I heated up the oil. So see, this, I made a lot because I have a child that likes scrambled eggs, and that's what he wants for dinner. So and if you're wondering what kind of pan this is, I mean skillet this is a Copper Chef. See, and no, I do not work for Copper Chef, and this is. It was a gift from my husband, what, like 2 years ago? And I love it. I love this. See, when the juice all comes out, then you're about ready to put in the scrambled eggs. But this is stir fry eggs and tomato. That's what it's called. So, and now right here. Now I add the tomatoes. The amount of tomatoes I have here is 3 tomatoes. About 4 eggs, 4 or 5 eggs. If you want tomatoes, cut the eggs. If you want eggs, add more eggs to whatever you have on your tomatoes. See? We love this. This is such an easy, inexpensive meal. And then you can add more green onions to it if you want. I do. Some people put seasoning on it. I do sometimes, depending on what I like, you know, like pepper and them. But it's good without seasoning, with any other thing, any other seasoning except for the green onions. See? And there's our meal. Right here. We have leftovers, so that's why I didn't make too much. Okay? Have a great evening or a great day. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye.